every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Today is June 15th, halfway through the month already. I can't believe it, guys. I just remembered we are finishing off month of May. You know what I mean? Time flies when you're having fun, making some pips. So this is definitely an interesting month so far. Okay, guys, but you can see here we're 5 minutes delayed. Usually we start at 7:30. Okay, was just talking to the group beforehand. So make sure to check the description box, guys. Not a buy or sell channel here. Any trades taken upon yourself. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. All right. Make sure to check the description box. Also, there's a free HankoTrade link if you're looking for a new broker. Okay. Just maybe download it, start a demo account, and see if it makes sense for you. If not, then you do what you do. Okay. Also, guys, I'm going to be announcing some of the bootcamp information. All right, we're pretty much ready to rock with this, and no more monthly member signups here. It's only 3, 6, 12-month plans, but I'll update you guys that at the end of the call. All right, so that being said, guys, let's get some charting done here. All right, we're going to start with gold. I'm going to head over and do GU, and then we're going to look at probably US 30. Okay, guys, so yesterday we saw the massive gold sell. Okay, that thing dumped off huge. All right, so you can see we got a little bit of a retracement coming back up now to at least 1833. We tapped literally at the low of almost below 1800. Okay, and then you can see they picked up a liquidity. They don't want to drop it below that psychological number. All right, so my next key area I'm looking for is some supply. All right, so I'm going to come to my left here. All right, and start drawing the daily supply zone. Okay. Now that's a big move, guys. That's up at 1881. That's almost a 50 pip move, $50, 500 pips. So that's a massive move. I don't know if we'll get up there today. We do have FOMC, so anything is actually possible. All right, but for now, we're just going to work on what we can see. Right. Okay. So let's get our daily support. Okay, and now we're going to drop to 4 hour. I see some daily resistance coming up here at the top. Okay, which is a once previous support level. So I'm looking at that as daily resistance here. Okay. Next, guys, we're going to drop to the 4 hour. Okay, and you can see the momentum we have here. Okay, daily, 4 hour. We just broke nice resistance level here. Okay, I see some 4 hour support forming. Okay, and then I see a nice 4 hour resistance area right around in here. Okay, if I drag that across, you can see it's once previous resistance as well. Okay, that's why I'm looking at around this area for 4 hour. Okay, and now you can see that in and around here, we got to get through the daily first. Okay, so we're going to drop to the hourly, see what kind of momentum we're starting to form. All right, this thing is bullish right now, dipped into that demand area. Okay, and then you can see ever since then, it's been on a steady slope towards that daily. Okay. So if we're looking at anything, guys, I would have had an hourly resistance right here. Okay, but again, we broke right through that, no issues. I'm still going to mark that right there. Okay, just in case gold does have like an erratic move and push back down at the daily, so we just have some hourly there. Okay, I'm going to now look for some hourly support. We're going to zoom in a bit. Okay, nice momentum over here. All right, and now I'm going to get my 1 hour support roughly right here. Okay. All right, guys, everyone ready to have a good FOMC day today? You know what I mean? Okay, hourly, I'm just going to move this up right here. As soon as we drop down, all right, you can see that that long wick is acting as resistance level. Okay, So I just moved that up from there to there. That was roughly from an 1830 move to an 1833 move. Okay, but you can see this thing is bullish, guys. We're pushing right through this with no problem so far. Okay, I'm going to get some 30-minute support right here. Okay, pushing through. Okay, and then my 30-minute resistance is going to come right here. Okay, let's drop it right down to the 15, guys. Okay, see a 15-minute resistance area right up here. Pretty straightforward. Okay, and then I'm going to drop to the 5, guys. Then we're going to work with updating it on the 5-minute resistance and support. Okay, so right down to the 5. Here we go. Okay, if we look to the left, okay, you can see that momentum on the 5 has some nice resistance area right here. Okay, and now we're going to work with what we got right now. Okay, so remember I talked about that hourly. Okay, this is going to act as maybe hourly support now. Okay, we're coming into a nice key area. Price has been rejected once before. Okay, and that's right here, that hourly. All right, you can see what's happening with gold. There's a long wick on the 5. Okay, momentum has been strong. Okay, we've had 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, almost 40 minutes of steady bullish pressure. Okay, so that's got to tell us something here. You know what I mean? That the buyers are coming in strong, and they came in strong around that 1825 area, which is, you know, one of those numbers. Okay, it's a quarter number. All right, you got quarter, whole, and then halves. Okay, and we're approaching that right now. So guys, with the time being 7:41, I'm not going to look at anything on gold until basically, you know, the new hourly candle leading into the news today. I'll explain news in a second here. All right. Okay, and I want to trade. I want to get GU done. Okay, so I'm just going to set some alarms right here. Okay, let's take a look at the RSI. Create that. Okay, RSI is showing overbought. This thing is like on the 5 minutes at 80. Okay, so, and I want to throw on the moving average and the 200 just to show you guys what's going on. Okay, we're heavily, I think, above. Yep, so we're above the 200 EMA. Okay, you can see prices pushed, found support, and then started to walk to the upside yet again. Okay, so that's a good thing to know. We can keep the 200 on, and same with the 9 for the next little bit. All right, we have an alarm set there, and I have one alarm set right here as well. Okay, all right. So guys, if we break this and start to sell off here, okay, we can get back down to that 1830 mark. Okay, and what I mean by this is the 30-minute support, and then we got to break that 9. But again, that would be a healthy pullback. Okay, maybe for the overall continuation. All right. So let's just watch and see here. Remember, we got 2 alarms set. We're going to head over and chart GBP USD. All right. Let's take a look at GU on the daily. Remove everything here. And we'll get started with our top down on GBP USD. Guys, has anyone been trading GU lately? This thing has been bearish like crazy. Okay, you can see now we've broke. All right, we're at a key level here where if we make a bottom, this is, you're looking at March 2020. This is the beginning of Corona. Okay, and this is where we're kind of hovering at right now. So this is previous bullish support. All right, especially leading into from the pandemic. Okay, I see there's a long wick that has made a bottom here so far. It's lower than the previous structure, so I'm just going to look at gathering some demand here. Okay, on that wick. Maybe get a little zoom in here. Okay, I see some nice supply area coming in as well. All right, we can see that this is on the daily, guys, and I'm using the previous support. All right, and you can see that's the wick. We got pushed back down, so support. Demand becomes supply, and then it acts as the next feature in the structure here of the structure break. So she broke down 3 bearish candlesticks. See how I tried to push up here was rejected, pushed back down. That's because this once demand area turned into supply over here. Okay, so quick little tip, we want to find our support and resistance on the daily. Okay, so we see daily support forming here. All right, has anyone been banking on GBP USD? It's one of my favorite things to trade. All right, we didn't do it yesterday just because. All right, but it's one of my favorite things. Let me know, guys, if GU is one of your favorite pairs to trade. Okay. Okay, good, guys. All right, let's take a look now at the 4 hours, see what we're working with. Okay, I want to get now my 4 hour support. Okay, and then I'm looking at my 4 hour resistance, which is coming into that supply area. All right, right at that previous rejection candle resistance. People getting 100 pips on the GU on Tokyo trades. Amazing, guys. Good, good, good. GU is one of my all-time favorites. It's always been. When I started trading, it was one of the only ones that I really focused on. It's a nice pair, nice, smooth, sexy pair to trade. All right, let's take a look. Okay, now on the hourly. Okay, you guys can see 4 hours acting as resistance here. We have some few doji candles here, but a nice little still continuous uptrend. Okay, so I'm looking at some hourly support forming right here because we did try to break and it pushed right back up. 1 hour support. Okay, now I'm looking at some resistance level. I can see it's right up here. That's kind of far away. We got to get through a few higher time frame resistance areas before we tap this. Okay. All right, so let's take a peek now at the 30-minute. And guys, what we're doing is a top down leading into, okay, our 5-minute time frames. Okay, so you can see here rejection, same as gold. It's been nice bullish lately. All right, so what I'm seeing now is possible retracement coming in. I don't see much on the 30. Let's take a look at the 15. Okay, that's what I wanted to see right here. All right, nice 15-minute level support. Okay, people are banking on GU and gold, it seems like. So guys, congratulations on this. That's huge. Okay, I see some 15-minute resistance right before we tap supply. All right. Okay, so 15-minute now. Let's take a look at the 5. Okay, very similar to gold, guys. So if we break here on GBP/USD, but we need to watch, see the RSI, add the 50 line. We didn't do this for gold, which we will head back and do it. Okay, some coordinates, get that 50 line. Okay, let's take a look at the 9 and the 200 EMA. Okay, we're still steady uptrend here so far. All right. So if we start to break this, guys, like I said, we're coming back down to the 4 hour. All right, it's got to get through a lot of momentum before we actually tap there. I see a 5-minute support level coming in right here. Okay, so I'm watching GU pretty carefully. All right, I just want to see if we do break that 9 EMA. If we do, guys, then this thing is going to be short-term bearish right back down to maybe that 21050. Okay, but let's just watch and see. We need to close below the 9, okay, to get that kind of pullback here. If not, all right, what we're looking for is a bullish continuation. Okay, probably breaking up above. There it goes, guys. So if we continue to hold below this 9 EMA, I might take a short-term opportunity to take a short. Okay, but we got to watch and see. It's still about 12 minutes before the new hourly candle open up. I like to wait until then, but we'll watch. Okay, so long wicks here. Let's add some price flags just for you guys. We'll go back and do the same thing for gold. All right, so any structure continuing bullish, we're looking up here. Anything breaking below bearish, we're looking to break below that previous wick, which is this structure right here. Okay. Okay, so let's just have some patience here. Okay, GU still holding over that 9 EMA. Let's go back and check out Goldie. Okay, so here's that new 5-minute candle coming in. All right, a lot of resistance coming from the previous structure. Okay, what I'm seeing, all right, so far, and this is just an example of a downtrend starting. Potentially, you can see rejection wick, rejection wick. This wick is closing lower than this. Okay, they're getting resistance at the hourly here. All right. I do see the fact that we are approaching higher time frame. Okay, that price of gold still continue bullish. Okay, so let's just watch, monitor everything for the new hourly. We have alarms set here. We're not getting much momentum push so far. At this time, guys, what I would usually do is trap this. Okay, and I would look at some news right here. Okay, guys, this is the 14th. This is yesterday. Okay, guys, so this is today. All right, we have retail sales and core retail sales here. All right, this is at 8:30. Then we have Empire State Manufacturing Index. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty big day, I think. All right, again, yesterday I started to show you guys, if you click on the folder right here, we can see why core retail sales is going to have any kind of notes. All right, so FF notes, automotive sales account for about 20% of retail sales, but they tend to be very volatile and distort the underlying trend. The core data is therefore thought to be a better gauge of the spending trends. Okay. All right. So, guys, like I said, the last couple of news releases on this from April to May, okay, they've been two positives. We had one negative and then a positive and a negative. Okay, so the trend has been more green. Okay, but we'll watch and see how this news gets released. Okay, that's core retail. Retail is the same thing. All right. Okay, so you can read the notes here. All right. It's pretty much, it's all been negative. Okay, we have more red than green for this. Okay, and then we look at the Empire State Manufacturing. All right. So why traders care about this one? It's a leading indicator for economic health. Businesses react quickly to the market conditions. Okay, and changes in their sentiment can be early signal of future economic activity such as spending, hiring, and investments. Okay, so guys, if you've been watching everything, you've been watching the crypto crash. Okay, you've been watching everything kind of happen here. All right. So it's been an interesting month so far. Okay, I never expected crypto recently to get this low. Okay, I definitely knew we were talking about last December about a healthy pullback on the indices and crypto. If you look on the higher time frames, it's divergence 100%. All right, so now, guys, we're going to watch and see how the next few months is going to react based on this this news and you know, how the market volatility is going to actually play out. Okay. Okay, guys, so gold, let's take a look at the DXY2. Always want to make sure we see how this is printing. Let's look at DXY in the hour. Higher time frames is always the best to look for DX. Okay. This was yesterday, guys. Okay, you can see that momentum started at 10 o'clock, went bullish here, so I'll follow this if I remove my 9 EMA. Okay, you can see it followed through holding support with the continuation. This is a nice bullish flag pattern. Flag pull, solid continuation. Okay, and then had a massive continuation at around you know, session swap. You can see they gapped it down into supply, retested, and then they had their overall eventual fall coming into near demand area. Okay, and the support level here, and then they're starting to push the price back up. So DXY, guys, on the hourly is looking pretty solid. I think that we can probably tap at least 105. Okay, if not, then they're just going to push it down like these previous two wicks here, and then push it down into this demand area. Okay. So now that we've got pretty much our bases covered, okay, we know news is coming. All right, we know how the DXY looks. Okay, now it's our turn to just do our due diligence and watch price. Okay. So, guys, I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback here if the DXY does start to go bullish again. All right, maybe back down to that 1826. Okay, 1824 in and around this area. So let's just watch and see how this is going to move. All right, we'll add some price flags on here too. And we're going to look at the daily here. All right. So you can see we're fluctuating in between 1833 right now and 1825. All right, almost 75, 80 pip zone. Okay, so here, guys, is the new 5-minute candle leading into 8 o'clock, which is the new hourly candle. Okay. So the trend has been bullish, guys. On the daily, there's an engulfing candlestick. All right, but again, we can get healthy short-term pullbacks. All right, we just tapped roughly 1835. Okay, which is this long wick right here. This was at 740. Okay, so just right before we touch the call, and then you can see since now we are starting to form maybe a healthy pullback. All right, so watch and see. Okay, so guys, like I said, it's about just under 3 minutes here. Watch and see. Okay, guys, so we're coming back down short term here. Let's just watch and see. Okay, I want to see gold one more time on the hourly just before we're opening up. Okay, so guys, we broke the neckline here. Okay, nice momentum push. Okay, we're going to see if now the pullback, because this is the resistance area that we're holding at right now. Okay, nice resistance. Okay, push down once, but the momentum is, look at this volume based candle here, guys. We're approaching that 200 EMA. Okay, so let's take a peek. Brian, what can I help you with, my man? Okay, so you can see, guys, starting to maybe trap some of the buyers here. If we do break this level right here, I'm definitely going to look for something, but I'm waiting for that new hourly. Okay. Okay. So just under a minute now. Sorry, under 45 seconds. All right, it's going to be a little bit of a waiting game. Okay, 15. Okay, there's gold tapping that first new hourly. There it goes, guys. Okay, so they're closing below here. Let's watch and see how price is going to make a move. All right, they're retesting the 9 EMA. Needs to start to break this level right here. Okay. If we hold below here, guys, we're starting to make our way back down. Okay, so nothing broke, guys. Just first 5 minutes. You can see they're holding that level 30-minute in the previous wick. That's why I drew this so we could see. Okay, so you see how they're holding that nice level of support, guys, 30-minute. Okay, they're pushing right back up. They have an engulfing candlestick here, but price, now they're testing in and around this 9 EMA. Okay, so the momentum, they're retesting that overall. Okay, downtrend. All right, you can see the trend starting to form here. This is probably going to poke up, look to tap the previous resistance of these wicks right here. Okay, and then it's going to make its decision. All right, let's take a peek at GU as well. Okay, just slowly starting to form, guys. You can see it's actually right on that overall move. Okay. Okay, so what I mean, guys, that level of support, overall trend has been bullish. Okay, let's watch and see for GU2. All right, give the first 5 minutes a little bit of breathing room. Okay, same with gold. Okay, GU's still holding here. Okay, so I'm looking at short-term demand zone. Okay, so you can see the prices are starting to push. Okay. We need to break through this area right here, guys. If not, the things are going to continue to push, breaking the highs, okay, at around roughly 121246. Okay, there's Goldie. Okay, so let's just watch here, guys. Sometimes it's going to be slower just because, remember, we have that news. Okay, so nice continued short-term downtrend. Okay, we're getting some resistance here slowly at 1830. All right, see if we can start to slowly break this momentum here. Okay. Just under 30 seconds now, guys, for the new 5-minute candle, which will be now leading into that 810, 805 to 810. So let's just watch and see. Okay, here's a retest, guys, on that 9 EMA. Okay, so kind of a fluctuation here. Okay, so 1831 was the key number here. You can see if you got in around there, it's slowly dropping about 15 pips. I mentioned to you guys that as soon as it gets out of there, okay, closing below the 9 EMA. All right, nice rejection here, attempting. So now our price, you can see we're coming to that nice level of support. Okay. Okay. So it's just slow and sure here. Just erase that. We've now retested. Okay, I'm going to use the 9 EMA instead of that support. Okay, so this wick has broken below, guys. All right, you can see that price. All right, we want to see the new candle open up. This is going to open up in about under 3 minutes here. Okay, the new candle, guys, has to break this low here for the continuation. So you can see how they're finding that little bullish support right here at around 1830. Okay, 0.7. All right, they're starting to close it horizontally, with the bearish close. Okay, so we need to see this thing if we're going to continue in a sell. All right, start to open up a new wick, make a low, okay, which will be a lower low. If not, guys, they're going to hold this level right here, and it's at the previous structure as well where they went bullish. Okay. Okay, so let's take a peek at GU for 1 second, guys. I am going to set an alarm right here. Okay, there's GU, guys, slowly following down here. If we start to break this to 1033, okay, you can see the steady pathway is looking at dumping and sells here. Okay. Fuck. Just that was the entry right there, guys. Sorry. Let's watch and see now. They're slowly starting to break it down. Okay. Putting that just because of this arrow right here. You can see the massive starting to sell. Okay. A little late here if you guys missed it, but if you followed the arrow, 21033 was the best entry here, guys. We're running on gold too. Okay, let's take a peek at gold as well. 1830. Okay, guys. Zoom members, if you guys are in on that sell from the 1831.5, okay, secure 80% of that. Message that in the Discord and then leave a runner. Okay, GU's now slowly. Okay, GU. We're going to flip back and forth between GU and gold today, guys. Okay, target would be right here. Okay, obviously the 4-hour support. Okay, you can, the reason why I'm saying 4-hour is it's looking nice. Price right here has started to make the bounce. Okay. I would, even if I were you guys, start to secure some of this right now. If you guys got in on the sell, I'm running 6 pips. Okay. standard, I'm going to remove 90% of that, okay? And I'm going to leave a $1 runner. All right, same with gold. Can you get in gold now? No, I would just wait on that, guys. That was like just one for the Zoom, guys. Okay. You can see that gold is now pushing back up a little bit. Okay, nice little quick scalp here. It's back at 1831.45. Okay, back at 1832. Okay, so you can see with the nice retest now on the 30-minute, we're going to see if price is going to hold below or if it's going to start to maybe pop off here. Okay, so I'm going to erase some of this downtrend here. Okay, make that a little lower. There we go. Okay. Okay, so quick little scalp here, guys. The momentum for gold on the hourly, you can still see is very strong. Okay, GU's running right now. Okay, look at gold. It's kind of indecision. All right, nice little impulse. Okay, flat, doji kind of look candle, but it's still bullish so far. Okay, I do think that they can push this back down. Look at the trend that's starting to form. GU is running, guys. Okay. Okay, GU's one of the best trades so far of the day. Okay, I'm running 22 pips on this. Okay, so what happened was I took a sell right here, I secured, okay, and then it was 90% and I left a runner here. I'll send the group the free FX, all right, short-term sell here on the 5-minute on GU. I'll post that up for you. There she goes, guys. Look at this bad boy. How many of you guys got in GBP USD here? This thing is still running. Okay, gold is running again, guys. Okay, gold is back running 10 pips. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, retest. Okay, they're holding that support level demand. Remember we talked about wicks? Guys, we need to start to break below this wick right here if we're going to have any kind of continuation. All right. If now price starts to push back up, okay, you can see that nice resistance here, but we need to hold below that 9 EMA. All right. So I'm in and out, guys. I'm at 1831.1. Okay, so it's right here. I'm bouncing in and out within $2 to $5. All right. If it gets up here, guys, I'll cut it. But again, that's why you secure at least 90%, and you deal with the rest at another time. Okay. Back on GU. Okay, these are where the wick started to pick up the volume here. All right. Nice support level here. Gold is pushing up. It's at 1832 now. Okay. So you can see, guys, nice dump sell off here. Okay, so remember it's leading into that 1815 candle. Okay, sorry, 1815, guys, on gold. Okay, could be a far-fetched thing. That's a heavy sell-off here. Okay, the current time is 8:15. All right, so this is going to be the first 15-minute candle coming up now. All right. Okay, if we do continue, guys, this thing can drop below, get to the hourly here. Gold is still working. Okay, guys, and a quick tip here. If you see these arrows, okay, because some people are getting a little bit confused, maybe new to the channel, that's okay. If you see these arrows right here, guys, okay, this is the trend that I'm looking for. I'm only looking for bullish momentum if we start to break out of here, okay? Only looking for bullish momentum if we break out of here, all right? This, I've been bearish, okay, since saw that daily resistance, okay? And as soon as we broke below there, guys, that was my overall key trend that I'm looking for, all right? Everyone can do it differently. You know, that's just how I like to do it, all right? Makes it a little easier and less chart cluttered. Okay, but that trade, guys, if you ended up getting that, all right, okay, that trade could be running, you're looking at least 24, 25, 30 pips right there, okay? And how do you justify maybe getting into say you missed this entry right here, okay? Look at the selling pressure, it's very strong. Volume base, okay? You could have entered in right here too because it's below the 9 EMA, okay, on the left-hand side, all right? Momentum is breaking through strong on the 4-hour support. So even you could have gotten a little bit later right here if you wanted to as well, all right? Okay, yeah, gold is starting to flip above that 9 EMA. Okay, so let's just flip over here. Okay, pushing right back up in this consolidation, all right? Okay, so gold is right at that critical point, guys. Remember, on the hourly, this thing has been very, very bullish, guys. It's very strong here, okay? All right, so let's just watch and see if we can pop up above. Maybe get to that daily, 1840. Okay, so nice rejection coming up that hourly, all right? Let's take a look at any divergence here. Okay, gold dipped off. Okay, picking back up. All right, getting that heavy resistance coming in from hourly time frame, guys. I keep repeating it for the hourly one just because that price, like I said, it's showing bullish momentum. It is still very, very strong here, but the healthy pullbacks are very possible. All right, and now you can see multiple attempts to break this 4-hour. Okay, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts now, and it's getting closed below. All right. Okay, we're going to trade gold for the news here. Okay, she's starting to flip now. Okay, hold on that 9 EMA. So we'll update you guys. This is the 820 candle here. All right. Guys, if we break down here, this the 1831.5 is still looking juicy for the healthy sell. Okay, you can see that this is supply in here. Okay, this is supply. All right, every time we bounce in here, price shoots right back down. We'll do indices a little bit later, guys. I just want to get through gold in the news. Yusuf, yes it is. Yep, it's always a static level here. Okay, any entries that I put in that Discord, they're all static levels. You just got to watch the time, and the time is the only reason I'm saying that now is sensitive to news. Okay, sensitive to news. So still running, guys. I'm running 19 pips on my 1831 trade still. 20 pips. Okay, so guys, look to secure now. Secure some more if you like. Okay, I'm actually going to close that entire trade. I'm going to wait until news now. All right. Let's take a look at GU as well. Okay, nice continued push, guys. All right. You can see there's a long lower wick. Coming back down to that hourly. There we go, guys. GU is still selling off. Gold too. Fuck, we must have dumped on gold. 1829. Ah. Slowly starting to fall, guys. Sorry, I keep going back and forth here. All right. Let's mark that 1834 so you guys can see, don't get confused. Get a little bit higher. Nothing hit stop loss there. All right. 1834 was the stop loss, guys. Okay. 1831.5 was the entry. Okay. And then you have 1834 as a stop loss. That's running about 30 pips. Highly suggest, okay, that you look to secure this. All right, even if it does tend to break, remember we talk about pullbacks here. Overall higher time frame is bullish. Guys, the news is coming up at 8:30. All right, right here. Guys, I'm going to send that to the Discord or to the Free FX group just so you guys can see that we're not joking around here. Okay, let's take a peek at GU2, guys. GU is going to be heavily affected by the news. It's a USD pair. Okay, so what do you guys think on GBP USD, guys? Let's have a unanimous decision here. What are your guys' thoughts? Bullish. Let's see what you guys got here. Bearish, bullish. It's still showing nice bullish tendencies on the higher time frame, but it's still showing bearish on the lower. Okay. So GU, guys, this is what we're doing. Okay, got 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes until the news. Okay, so let's check the hourly, see how it's working here. Look at the big rejection coming in. Okay, catch the sell-off here. All right. Pushing back down to that hourly 9 EMA. Okay, guys, so one key thing to remember about today is we didn't talk about it yet. I got a lot of people on the stream now. It's getting better. Okay, look at the 2 p.m. Okay, 2 p.m. we're doing FOMC. All right, we will be trading this live in our private Zoom room. Okay, so we will be trading this live, but it will not be on YouTube. Okay, but this is going to be major news events here. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with right now. Okay, coming in 8:30. Okay, which is the retail and core retail sales. All right. Guys, if you want to discuss FOMC on YouTube, let's start a discussion. What do you guys think is going to happen with the FOMC here? Okay, I think we can decide that, or maybe talk about that after news, because we're kind of jumping the gun here. The news right now can destroy everybody's account, so I think we should focus on what's about at hand. But a little bit after that, I think we can figure out what's going on with FOMC. Maybe look at some longer term positions here. Okay. I don't try to predict news, my man. Sounds very similar to me. Okay, so 826 here coming in. Okay, Arton. Don't matter to me. I'm not trading FOMC, my man. At least they know it, guys. People have their rules. That's good. Guys, if you're learning to just how to trade here, you might want to start, learning some of these news events and what they have to do. Damien, tomorrow markets operate normally. We'll see on this news event here. You know what I mean? Okay, there's GU guys still continuing here. Look at that big sell-off here. Huge. Okay. Okay, so now GU is coming right to that level of nice support here hourly. Okay, gold is an indecision here. I mean, if they open normally, because we have some Christian holidays tomorrow. That's a good point, Damon. I'm not too sure about that. I'm not too sure about that to deal with the holidays. We can check tomorrow what's going on. 2 minutes, guys. Don't stress. Okay, this is what we have. We don't really have any holidays here. We just have major news coming in. Okay, guys, so let's just watch. We're going to go to gold here. Okay, so members, make sure everything is secured before, unless you're leaving a small runner before on the news. Okay, news can have major impact right now on everything. Okay, so let's watch and see here what we got going on. Okay, so just watch 18 seconds, guys. We're going to do the Dow after. Okay, I just want to see what kind of news we're going to get here. Just under 10 seconds, guys. Okay, here it goes. Okay, into that nice supply level coming in. There it goes, guys. Guys, did you guys get that buy stop at 1833? Sent to the Discord. That's running 18 pips. Secure when you can, guys. Let's run it even further. So we'll mark 1833 here. Secure some partials. You guys know this by now. Don't get greedy. Overall trend has been bullish. 1833 right there. You can see that that move is now approaching those previous wicks. It's running about 23 pips. And it's starting to push. Okay, so now you can see we're approaching that double top potentially. Okay, so it's still very strong momentum, but like I said, I'm telling you to secure for a reason, guys. They can push this right back down. Okay, nice little opportunity here, quick pips in and out, and then we're good to go. Okay, let's take a look at GU as well, guys. Okay, so there's a couple things that I see here just before we bounce off gold. Okay, you can see there's a nice top here. All right, nice top here. Okay, and then we have a neckline potentially coming here. Okay, so let's just watch and see if price is going to hold. All right, pushing up, rejection, rejection, pushing back down here. Okay. Okay, so give it some time here, guys. Let news digest here. This is the first 5-minute candle. Okay, just noticing some wicks here. I do want to check out GU. Okay, so GU, guys, see how we made a nice little bounce off the hourly. Gold is respecting hourly. GU is as well. Okay, so take a look. Retracing it, coming back right here, testing that 9. Okay, it's a solid engulfing candlestick. Okay, so guys, if you caught the buys, congratulations. That's a nice move here. We didn't really focus on that. So guys, that's a nice solid buy opportunity. Okay, now the only thing is we got to get past this resistance here. Okay, so this is 4-hour support. It's going to turn to resistance. Okay. Guys, the NZD CAD trade idea is running 10 pips as well. Okay, so make sure you understand that. Is anybody in that one? I'm in with the $2.50. Okay, so GU, guys, approaching that 4-hour resistance. Here's that new 5-minute candle starting to open up. Okay, remember, pull back, pull back, pull back for continuations. All right. You guys, we have a battle in here right now. I have some people on GU long and I have some people on GU shorts. So you guys are making my life a little difficult right now. I can't be biased. I can only sit on the sidelines and be the water boy. All right. Let's watch and see how we're going to move here. Remember the trend, guys, okay? And remember the news is just pushing in liquidity right now, okay? At least I got you. I'll bring you a nice mimosa. How's about that? Florine, my man, if I wish I could understand what you're saying. It's a horrible thing that I can only speak English and I don't even do that well. All right, so guys, if you're speaking some languages here, I do have some admins that can read it, but hopefully everything is good on your end. Okay, guys, there's gold right there. This thing is pushing again. Oh my God, yo, my man, guys, Dr. Dollar's in the house. This is a young Forex trader, very nice. He's got a YouTube channel. Make sure to check him out. Okay, he just donated 19 bucks. I appreciate that. I'll show him some love. Wait till that loads. Me and Ron watch Dollar streams, guys, on Friday nights. It's funny. He's a good trader, guys. He trades on higher time frames. So much respect, dude. When I get the YouTube loaded here, I got so much going on this computer. I got like 4 monitors and streams, so we'll hit you up. But guys, make sure to give him a follow if you don't know who he is. Just he donated about 20 bucks right there, so just give his like stream and follow him. Okay, guys, you can see now that gold is pushed right back in. That consolidation, the coordinates are 1833 and 1832. Okay, guys, gold it's still holding above that. I'm just going to erase this so you guys don't get confused. All right, so it's still kind of running. Okay, what do we got on GU, guys? NZD CAD is fucking flying right now, guys. One sec, I gotta take a pause. So for you guys wondering if we just trade gold and this kind of stuff, okay, so this is NZD CAD, guys. Let's just let this thing load a bit. Okay, we sent this out in the hourly. Okay, this is what we have right here on NZD. Okay, starting to push. Bitcoin's at 18K, Lisa. Please don't update Bitcoin. I have it. I don't really want to know about it. There we go, guys. NZD is running about 14 pips. Okay, 14, 15 pips. All right. Get back to this gold level here. GU. Okay, so take a look at GU, guys. Nice sell here. Now we're approaching, like I said, that 4-hour resistance acted as nice key push down, finding some support level right here. This is an engulfing candlestick, guys, so you know that this is a very powerful candle. All right, so we got to watch and see here if the EMA is going to hold it or if they're going to actually get that nice little push. Okay, we are in some battles right here in our group. We do have people in GU buys and in GU sells here. Like I said, I'm sitting out on this one. I like the trend continuation. Short term as in bearish, long term as in bullish, but we'll watch and see, guys. And news, meaning by the news we just had, guys, it's okay news, okay? But you remember, FOMC's today, so that's the major news that we got to watch, all right? That's the major news that we got to watch. So a little bit of flat line right now. Momentum is dead. We're right around that, just below that 50 on the RSI. Okay, so short term potentially could be pushing back down. There it goes, guys, to at least that 20766 area right here. Imi, what time is FOMC? FOMC is at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Okay, let's go check out gold here too. Guys, I know the indices, everyone wants to see them. We haven't really done much today. Okay, we can take a peek at how US 30 is looking. Okay, I'm kind of happy we didn't. Like, we would have just been getting head faked out here. Aditya, you got the stream you got us for oil, man. Don't worry about it. You just keep doing your thing in here, updating these guys on oil. Okay, that way I don't have to always do it. All right, so you can see US 30 is kind of consolidating here. I got Nasdaq doing the same shit. Okay, so you see what I mean? Like, familiar with trading FOMC Wednesdays and FOMC. Sometimes indices, they have their consolidation times, and I do believe that this is one of them, right? If you're trading indices at 7 o'clock, okay, you can see you would have that nice big move, but this is what we would have been trading right here, guys. We would have been burned, I don't know how many times. Pushing, pulling, pushing, probably would have been stopped out, you know what I mean? So that's why I kind of wanted to focus on GU and just gold today, all right? And you can see we caught the nice couple sell-offs here, couple buys. Okay. Heinz, like my trading this morning, to pump and dump. Yeah. Tony, yeah, I agree too. Market is trying to keep its chin up so it won't last. I know. We'll watch and see here. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's just make this full screen here. Remember, please, that all of this trading is done on the 5 minutes. Okay. We want to look at higher time frames always. Okay. Always look at higher time frames to determine trends. Okay. So you can see GU, guys, bouncing out of demand. Okay. Short-term support at daily, and nothing has broke the hourly here, guys. If we break the hourly, GU can come all the way back down to at least 204, 205, 27 area. Okay. Which would be the previous bounce here, and then the previous rejection, and then they broke through here with the momentum. Okay, but look at the 9 EMA, guys. This is why I love using this indicator. It's very simple. Okay, pretty straightforward. It acts as a floating support and resistance. Okay, so you can see they dipped it down, probably maybe grabbed some liquidity here. Okay, pushed it right back up. They're holding over that 4 hour now. Okay, but you can see that the higher time frames, guys, we got to follow these pursuits. You can see that nothing is overbought or oversold. What led the overall continuation pullback, all right, was the divergence on the lower time frames. Okay, and then we have potentially that continuation on GU, okay, getting above that 4 hour resistance. What happened? My computer won't freaking load. It's maxed out, guys. Let's see if I can load here. I have about 4 or 5 different things on the outside too. There it goes, right there. Let's see if it'll load here. Dr. Dollar. You just got to give some love, guys. Someone hooks you up, you got to give them some love. 8,000 subscribers, not bad. When I was watching him, he was at like 2 to 3. Okay, give him a live, young FX guy. Check him out. Cool guy. Okay. Okay, so there's GU, guys. The shorts are getting burned right now. Okay, so far. What do you guys think? Do you guys think GU is long or short? What are you guys' thoughts? Yeah, GU is acting like gold, guys. Remember post news? Guys, gold is still running. Okay, we'll take a peek at gold here. Guys, yeah, exactly. Ben, we trade whatever we want here. All right, doesn't matter. We've traded GU, EU, USD CAD, kept getting burned on that one, you know. But again, we did send that 55 pip move on US CAD recently, which was nice. So, guys, if we break the highs again, 30-minute, okay, we're coming back up here to at least the daily. Okay, you can see divergence is slowly being spotted here. Okay, price is rising, but you can see the RSI is cooling off. Okay, we're coming into now 8:45. Okay, 9 o'clock coming in. All right. Any books you'd recommend? Books, I would do the same one as always, guys. You guys let me know. Do you guys remember what book we talked about here previous? Yeah, there you go. Ian, we can't recommend Harry Potter. Okay. Could scalp with Dimbledorf, whatever his name is. Yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, so if you guys are still in the buys here, like I said, it's just members, remember it's starting to get some liquidity is being pushed out of it. A lot of top wicks, okay? Although it looks promising, all right, you can see that it's getting a little bit push, okay? Naked Forex is a good one too. Yeah, Mark Douglas, guys, that's another good one. Trading in the zone. Okay, guys, I'm just marking these here. These are the trade ideas given on gold, okay, in the Discord group, so you can see now that we're starting to work. Yusuf, I would wait for the new hourly candle here. I wouldn't be selling gold right now. We caught this short-term sell-off, but then the news is starting to pick it up. Okay, you can see. Here we go, guys. All right, breaking that 30-minute. If we hold, okay, the momentum is starting to push back now. Okay, if we hold from the 30-minute, looking to get probably the daily, looking at 1840 maybe. Okay, so here's that new candle, guys. Here we go. Let's watch and see. 10 minutes until the new 4-hour candle opens. Okay, well, I want to check out quickly. Members are mentioning something about Nasdaq. Let's go check it out. Okay, there's US 30, guys. All right, let's take a look at this on the hourly. Everything's pretty much done from yesterday. Okay, you can see US 30 starting to find some volume here. Let's watch and see on the 30-minute. Okay, this is showing some nice tall tale signs. One more second, check out the 15. Okay, guys, this is what I wanted to see right here. Okay, so gold now is pulling back. That's why you're getting your break, guys. I'm looking for a potential push. If we get above here on the 15. Okay, so if we flip here, guys, I'm looking for a nice US 30 opportunity. It is before the new 4-hour candle here, but I can see on the 15 that we do have opportunity to touch the the 200 EMA. So let's just watch and see how this is going to make its move. Okay, nice rejection coming to the left over here. Triple top. Okay, and we'll see how we're going to make a move. Don't enter now, just have a little patience. Okay, gold is selling off, guys. Gold is having a short-term retracement here. It's now engulfing. Okay, so US 30 and gold are starting to be very correlated at this time. So let's check out GU as well. GU. Okay, so Damien, I think you're right, buddy. I think Big D's got some shorts. Okay, I'm looking for a short position just below here as well. Okay, and the reason I'm putting it there, just below the wick. Okay, let's watch and see. This is where okay, so let's watch, guys. Let's watch GBP USD and gold. Nick, you caught him? Okay, good. Okay, gold is still holding at that 9. Guys, if we dump below GU here, like that's a big move. Like I can see them picking up the volume right here because that's like you guys understand that's an hourly support break for a continuation, okay? And they'd be filling this long bullish candlestick here to the left. All right, so don't enter in just yet. We got to wait to see if we're even going to pierce that hourly support here, okay? And we got about 5 minutes until the new 4-hour candle opens up. Okay, so just under 30 seconds now. Julian, no, I'm going to save this one for right now. Okay, so just started the break now. Okay, we got to see if we're going to close below here, guys. Okay, so you can see the 200 EMA, guys. We got to get through here. A lot of momentum coming in. Okay, so if we don't break here, guys, this thing's going to push right back up and close. Okay. The 4-hour candle can get this flipped. All right. Okay, guys, X gold is selling off huge. Okay, I actually took the sell on that. Okay, I'll send that to the group so you guys can see here. Massive, massive sell off. Okay, new 4-hour candle coming up, guys, just under 2 minutes here. See how they pushed it right back up, guys? Let's watch and see how they're going to move. So if they hold it above that hourly, okay, okay, see how they're pushing it right back. First initial candle sold. Okay, new candle closing hopefully below it. If not, guys, this thing is going to push right back up. All right. Okay, so see slowly creeping in. 200 EMA support, hourly support. All right, let's take a look at the 1 hour. Look at the engulfing candlestick on the hourly, guys. Okay, let's watch and see here. Okay, we'll take a peek one more time at gold 2 just before. Okay, there's your gold sell here, getting rejected at the 30-minute. Okay, pushing right back down to that 30-minute support. Okay, rejected 30-minute resistance. So they're respecting the 30-minute times right now. Okay, let's just update this real quick. Okay, gold still selling off here. GU is finding a little bit of support. Okay, so they're closing it slowly below here. All right, watch and see if we're going to get that continuation. I am in this sell right now, guys. So 9 o'clock. Okay, we're going to do definitely. You guys want to do Nasdaq or US 30 top down? What do you guys want to do? Got a lot of Nasdaq in here, guys. A lot of Nasdaq for sure. Guys, if we don't break this 200, okay, and you guys are in on the sells here, start to shave off at least 80%, leave a runner here. It's up to you whether you want to do it or not. Okay, but again, this support is starting to hold. The wick right here is not breaking below the previous wick. Okay, so you can see a little bit of momentum maybe is starting to hold. Okay. I'm going to secure 80% of this, guys, and leave a runner. Okay, and the runner will be the justification to see if we can get this trend continuation. If we get below the 200, guys, I might add another one, but right now, it's like I said, just have a runner. Okay. Am I in a gold sell? I was, but I closed off. You can see in the FX group what I posted. Okay. So let's get down to Nasdaq, guys. You can see Bitcoin is at 21,192. Okay, gold is back at 1830. I always like to check the new higher time frames, guys, and the new times change. Okay, so what I mean by that, hourly, 4 hour, different things like that. Okay, so you can see they're holding momentum right there. Okay, let's take a look at Nasdaq now. We're going to do a thorough top down on Nas. Okay, go to the daily. Guys, has anybody's MT4 been freezing? I get that question. I'm not asking for me, it's asking for two other people. They keep messaging me saying their MT4 is freezing. Just let me know, guys. Let me know. Sorry, I was just watching, seeing if mine had any freezing issues, but it doesn't, so just watch and see. Okay, so let's get some demand here. Okay, let's get some supply. Ian, I am. Yeah, I am. I told you, I just small lot, just warning. I wanted to see if it's going to continue. Guys, we have some daily support here. Okay, so let's just zoom in here a little bit. See nice daily resistance coming in from the top wick right here. Okay, let's drop to the 4 hour. Oh, guys, this is beautiful for a perfect setup move right now. All right. Let's see 4 hour support. Any update on Celsius liquidation? I have no idea. All I know is Celsius as a drink. I know it's not just more. I know it's more than that, but when I think of Celsius, I think of the beverage. Everyone's gonna think I'm an idiot now. I love it. 4 hour resistance. Okay, looking good here, guys. Let's take a look at the hourly now. Okay, we have hourly support. Okay, I just see a wick clean right through. I want to see the zone that I'm working with right here, if it's worth it. It's about 20-30 pips. Okay, so 1 hourly resistance right here. Okay, and we got 30-minute now. All right. Okay, so 30-minute support. Nice movement down here. Candle close. let's drop to the 15. Update that. Okay, I don't want to have too much on here. Let's just see that move from down there. It's about 10 pips, not worth it. Okay. Okay guys, 200 likes here. I'm going to stop doing Nasdaq. If you guys want to see the rest of it, just smash the likes to 100. We're going to flip over to GU right now. Okay. Markets is just the free promotion group. That's it. Okay guys, if you want it, smash the likes for it. Okay, so let's watch and see here what we got going on with GU. GU is still running. Let's find a nice level support right here. Okay, nice level equal support. So GU is running in and out, guys. You can see it's starting to find some volume here in terms of support. Okay, let's see if it's going to hold here or if it's going to start to flip and go bullish. All right. Okay, let's see what we get going on here, guys. Just slowly starting to tap that nice level of support, 20560. What do you guys think on GU, guys? You think GU is bullish or bearish here? I'm running about 9 pips right now. Okay, let's see how it's going to slowly start to move. All right. Okay, so 6 seconds, guys. Let's watch and see here. What time is the Zoom? We'll do a little bit beforehand. We'll update you guys in the group, okay? So you can see doji candle starting to form. Okay. Oh, someone, my man chimed in here. Okay, just now under 5. Okay. Okay, slow volume starting to pick up here. Let's take a look at the RSI. Okay, so it is starting to short here on the 5. Let's take a look at the 15 and the hourly. See how she's looking still. Okay, so GU starting to get tapping now. The entry right here. Let's see if we can get the. I told you guys, sorry. Start to secure some. Leave a small runner here. This is the level of support, the low. Okay, that if we break that, it's going to continue. If not, you're going to start to pick up and start to push. Okay, so let's just wait and see how the next little bit goes. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, gold is picking up volume now. Okay, quick little short sell-off here. Okay, same level as once before. Looking like it can do one of two things here. It can be a W pattern neckline right here, or it can be a head and shoulder, and then gold can push right back down. Okay, so let's watch and see. Okay, about just under 3 minutes here. Okay. Mikey P down for the day to 11, up over 4%. Perfect. Gotta walk away. Absolutely. Okay, let's take a peek one more time. I want to see the dollar index before. Okay, so dollar, remember we talked about this, guys. Nice resistance here. Nice push. Okay, overextension now. You can see a little bit of divergence. Let's see if now the dollar is going to start to short. Okay. Okay, let's take a peek now. GU. Okay, GU guys still holding. And guys, that's not me typing that in there, just FYI. I'm watching my MT4 go into blues right here on GU. Got better things to worry about than a like. If you guys want to do it, go ahead. If not, it's fine with me. Let's see, guys, if we can break that nice key level 20560. Alrighty. Okay, coming up to the first 15-minute candle, guys, of the 9 a.m. time. Okay, remember the next 15 minutes can be 9:30, so we got the Nasdaq, New York stock open. Okay, US 30 is going to have big moves here. Same with Nasdaq. All right. Okay, short-term potential trend on the 5 on GU. Okay, let's watch and see if it's going to break. 9:15 time. Okay, so new 15-minute, you can see it's starting to slowly hold that support and push back up. Okay, let's take a look at gold too. Back at 1830.8. Okay. Okay, so nice sell pressure here. Looking like potential head and shoulder on gold, guys. Okay, so they've tested this numerous times, guys. This looks like a nice head and shoulder pattern here. All right. Okay, so let's just take a peek here. Gold is now in that range, guys. You can see the floor right here, support, and then you have resistance. Okay. Okay, so guys, the first, I just want to see the couple minutes of the first, 15-minute candle here. There we go, starting to slowly short here. Okay, so now long wick, holding that 1829 area, roughly 1828. Okay, in around 1828 to 1830. Okay, GU is starting to flip a little bit bullish like we talked about here, guys. Still in and out. Okay, so nice push. Okay, nice rejection coming in here. See how they broke and pierced through that nice hourly. So the candle is starting to form. We did not break below the low. So right now, guys, you would be at break even. It's totally up to you what you want to do. If you want to hold, okay, you can. Or if you want to close at break even on your little bit of a runner here, it's totally up to you. Okay. Okay. It's a little bit choppy here, guys. Let's see if we can get that continuation. I want to see the DXY2. This is going to be a nice indication leading into the market open here. There we go. Okay, so short-term sell-off here. Okay, on the 5. Okay, guys, so this is actually probably, I'm just looking at this now. This is actually probably one of the first times that we've asked you guys to do 300 likes. If I don't get it in 2 minutes, I'm just going to close the stream and I'm going to go private in my Zoom channel. Okay, this is your last chance, and then I don't care about the YouTube. Like, it doesn't matter to me. I can go easily back in my Zoom, no problem. So you'll give you 2 minutes if you guys want to do it. Like, if you don't, then we'll just cancel it. There it goes. Fastest 300 likes I've ever seen in my life. Easy peasy Japanese, you guys. Perfect. All right. So let's get back from the hourly now. All right. Okay, guys. So let's take a peek one more time. Let's get down to the 30-minute here. Pablo, don't worry. Eventually, I'm just going to cut YouTube, and we'll just upload videos, and you guys can watch someone else's stream. Okay. So 30-minute resistance coming in here. Okay, and I have my 30-minute support on the same candle here. Okay, let's drop to the 15 now. Looking good. All right, let's take a look at now the 5-minute. I'm not going to do too much. Okay, so let's watch, guys. 9:21. Okay, we got about 9 minutes here. GU is still coming down bearish here, guys. It's looking pretty good. Let's see if we can get that continuation. Okay, so you can see, guys, just under 5 minutes here. Okay, so nice 4 hour here. Just want to see how it's looking on the daily. Okay guys, so this is looking pretty nice so far. Nice bounce from demand here. Look at this, they're starting to fill this wick. Okay, you can see that the daily is nice, starting to fill here. So we need a little bit more, okay, to see if we can even get past here. If not, guys, this thing's going to push right back down, and you can see the lower wick has created a low from this previous structure. Okay, so I'm going to find a nice level of support at that bottom wick, and we'll see how it's going here. Okay, so 15-minute looks good. Okay, so nice strong trend here, a little bit of resistance. Guys, if you think I'm posting those comments on there, think again. Okay, so GU's still running, guys. Okay, so just about minute 25, and then we'll have 9:20. Okay, leading into about 9:30 New York stock. Indecision right now. Okay. Okay, I want to see how this candle closes, guys. US 30, I think, is in the same boat. Okay, so let's see what we're at on US 30 as well. Okay, so nice little wick here. Okay, push. Nice little push back down. Still trading. There's for US 30. Okay, one-to-one trade. It's up to you. All right, there's US 30 for everyone. Mark this down. We'll update that accordingly. Nasdaq, I want to do more hands-on here. Okay, so NAS short-term sell. Okay, so guys, 920. Here we go, just under. Okay, guys, let's get ready here. Okay, remember hourly, just to update you guys. We talked about this. Nice potential movement. Guys, we're not going to check gold anymore. Okay, we're going to leave it. Same with GU. Okay, we're just going to focus on Nasdaq. All right, a little bit easier than flip-flopping around. All right, so let's go here. Okay, so you've had momentum here starting to close. You can see a little bit of divergence. Okay, the 200, let's see where we're at in terms of below or above. All right, then we have the 9 and the 2. All right, starting to push and pull. Okay, so nice consolidation here. I always like to wait until the last like few minutes before. Okay, and we're going to make our moves based on here. Okay, there we go. Let's erase the 200 EMA. Perfect, guys. Okay, slow and steady, just under 3 minutes here. GU is slowly slumping off, guys. Gold is as well. Okay, we're in a trade right now on gold in Discord. Okay, it's running pretty good so far. All right, running about 10 pips. We're going to watch and see on Nasty now. Okay, I like Nasdaq for potential buy up here. Okay, if we get a continuation, adjust your stop loss accordingly. If not, right, we're going to break below and start to get down here. Okay, if we do break out of here like this, looking for a short-term pushback down to the 4-hour support. Okay, let's add some momentum here and let's add on some charts. Members, are you in that gold trade? Yeah, that thing is running, guys, hard. That thing is selling off huge. Okay, so here we go, guys. Just under 1 minute now. Coming to a key level, guys. That 4-hour resistance you can see straight up. All right, 114.63. Okay, 114.6365 area. Okay, let's see what we can get. Here we go, guys. Here's the news. Okay, news. Okay, coming in at 9:30. Market open. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, so initially they pumped it up here. Okay, wait for the first 5 minutes. Let's watch and see how they're going to make a move. Double top. Okay, you can see now they're pushing it right back down. All right, following in this suit right here. So for the first 5 minutes, guys, sit tight. Okay, chill out here. We'll adjust this accordingly. Okay, we're approaching now that downtrend here. Okay, so we're right on that trend. You can see right here. All right, let's watch and see how this is going to move. Okay, a lot of indecision right now, guys. Just chill out, let it do its thing. Okay, a lot of indecision, guys. I mean, I didn't mean to say news. I meant to say market open. I'm so used to saying news here. That's my bad. Okay, so let's watch and see here. You can see indecision now, pushing right into that consolidation movement, bouncing off that trend. Gold is running, guys. Check it out. Okay, first 5 minute candle, definitely you have a spinning top here, a lot of indecision. Now we're starting to slowly get some liquidity being pumped in here. Let's watch and see if now price is going to close above or below the 4 hour resistance. Okay, above or below, this is the key level right here I'm watching. All right. Okay, slow momentum here. Okay, first 5 minutes, guys, are coming in about a minute and 14 here. So this is just an opportunity if we close above the resistance here. This impulse push, okay, and then you can see the impulse dump right here. So they're still holding it right at that 9. Let's watch and see now if price is going to hold that trend or if we're going to break it, which is breaking, coming down in here. Okay, I'm waiting for the first 5 minute candle to open. All right, and then you can see the next 5 minute how she's going to continue. Okay, so this is still a lot of indecision for me. It looks like it's pretty bearish right now. Okay, I know it looks like it tapped in there. Okay, so let's watch and see. About under 40 seconds now. Okay, let's take a look. Heavy resistance coming from the left here. A nice little peak. Okay, new candles opening up right now, guys. Just in under 15 seconds here. Here we go. Gold is still dumping from 1829, guys. 1829 is a sweet spot. Trying about 40 pips. Okay, so second attempt here. Okay, getting rejected, guys. That's 3 attempts now to break. Okay, definitely don't like that. 3 attempts now. They're testing that 9. If we break this trend right here, this thing is starting to float back down. And they're always pushing it right in this consolidation, guys. Okay. So if they break that 30-minute, guys, and hold, so trend line, if they break the 30-minute right here, looking for a nice opportunity for the short. Okay. If not, they're going to hold here, bounce, and then start to walk back up. But the strong momentum sells are starting to, like, you know, show their true colors right now. Okay. So there it goes, guys. Let's watch and see. Okay, so it's just dancing in and out right now. I haven't taken any trade yet, guys. I have not taken anything, nor sell or buy. Just slowly watching here. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. Okay, still indecision. Okay, still some indecision here. Okay, so we got another 3 minutes now until the next 5 minute candle, guys, which will be the 940. 945 will be the release of the 15-minute candle. Whenever there's news, okay, whenever there's news, remember we went over this, okay, a lot of the times the market open is going to be, it's kind of going to be shit. You know what I mean? There's not much we can do about it, right? The only thing we can do is react based on being smart, okay? They are still holding it above this 9, okay? Multiple times they keep closing it above here, all right? So this will be really interesting to see how leading into the 940, 945 will be good, all right? And we'll see what kind of continuation we're going to get, if we're going to get one at all, all right? Okay, guys, the momentum here, if we get rejected one more time, there's a minute and 30 here, okay? I want to see if we're going to close in and above this general area. I might take a short-term buy. I just want to see how this next candle opens up, okay? Okay, so 3 key rejections here, sending price into this indecision. This is not good to be trading, guys. So just chill out here. Not much can be done. US 30 is starting to work. Okay, a little bit of indecision as well. They pushed and pulled, all right, from 30655. They're starting to get some momentum. All right, the continuation here. Okay, so you can see 30652. All right, so getting pushed down to the 55. So here we go, guys. Here's that new 940 candle. Let's watch and see if we can get another run here. Hopefully making a nice move to see if we can get above that hourly resistance. Okay, let's see if we can get the continuation past the daily, guys. We're now at the daily. All right. Nick, if you want to see that kind of stuff, you're going to have to see mine, Ron's, PK's, Ibrahim's, Shahab's. We've got about 6 people who do this. This is not just me, FYI. So if you guys just think SST, Stocks Number Trading, is just me, I don't know if you really guys look into the group as much. We have like 6 people who trade with us. It's a group. We trade all the way from London, okay, New York. We're doing Tokyo, and we do webinars. So if you want to see all that, man, yeah, for sure. Join the group and you can see that we post. Okay, let's see if we can get that continuation past the daily, guys. All right. Everyone's saying Nasdaq sells. Yeah. Okay, 2 minutes and 30 seconds here. Okay, looking good here. Nice continuations. There it goes, guys. Let's see if we can get a nice little push here. Okay, secure when you can. Pablo, it's okay. I've been in buys the entire time. Our Discord alert was buy right here, 11,463. Okay. First one, if they didn't take it, was stopped out. The second one, they're running about 45 pips. Okay, so it's just a little bit of patience, guys. A little bit of patience takes time here. I had the green box set up for you guys. I don't know what more else I could do unless me saying buy is what you guys want to hear, but you can see the green box entry hourly resistance started to break, roughly 11,475. Okay, nice little push. Let's check out US 30. Okay, US 30 candle is starting to push too. Multiple in and outs here. Okay, push. All right, big stop loss. If you had it way down here, if you had your stop loss here, you would have been tested out. Sorry, stopped out and then retested, and then it would have shot back up again. All right. So now we have 1 minute, guys, just under 30 seconds until, okay, the 9:45 candle starts to open, the new 15-minute. This is the one where I always like to watch. We're at 11,500 now. Let's see how this starts to make a move. Okay, just under 10 seconds. Okay, so we got to get past that high wick at 11,510. If not, we're going to get pushed right back down to that daily. Okay, and then if we break daily, guys, we're coming back down to the 30-minute, hourly, blah, blah, blah. You get it right back down to the 4-hour. Okay. Okay, nothing broke the high, guys. Okay, we'll send you guys in the free Telegram group. We'll send you the 3 gold trades that happened today. Okay, both buys and sells, sells and buys. All right, just so you can see, and then we'll go from there. All right, so guys, quick thing update here. We're pretty much, I'm toast because I'm going to work towards FOMC. Like this has been great for trading. You know what I mean? The morning was good. We had GU potentials. I'm still in that GU sell short term. Okay, gold was nice. You know what I mean? Everything was nice moving. Okay, the market open, guys. For me, I would have rather just waited till FOMC. You know what I mean? Just personally, I had a feeling that, you know, Nasdaq US 30 was going to retrace in terms of short-term buys here. As you can see, I was very biased towards. You just had to wait for the first couple candles to launch out, and then wait for, like I said, a little bit more momentum to show holding above the 9 EMA, which is right here. Okay, so guys, just a quick thing here. All right, you guys can see straight up, this boot camp is launched. Everything's good to go. Okay, please read all of the instructions right here. There are no monthly plans anymore. Okay, we are closed. Okay, we're offering you 20% off 3, 6, 12-month plan plus the boot camp. Okay, and that's what's kind of like how we're working it. All right, so any kind of questions here, the code is bootcamp. You'll get it on the pop-up ad. All right. If you guys want to join, we'll be doing this. All right. Let's just one more time show you the dates. Okay, nasty. Okay, the dates are, guys, we have from, one second here, June 27th to July 1st. Okay, so June 27th to July 1st, right here, is when you can join. If you guys would like to, the monthly is not valid anymore, guys. If you are already a member with us, okay, you guys are already included in that. Everything's good to go. If not, use the code below if you guys want to join for 3, 6, 12-month plan, and you get included in the bootcamp. All right, so cool, guys. Awesome. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bootcamp's going to be bumping. Trust me when I say we got some good content ready. Everything's looking solid. You can see Nasdaq, guys, kind of getting their retracement here. Members, we're going to see you at FOMC today. All right, we'll update you on the time. So privately in our group, we'll let you know, and then we'll update you based on that. So YouTubers, guys, thank you so much. You know what I mean? I wasn't really commenting too much. I don't even really type into that kind of stuff. You see my OBS, I have to log in to do it. So just wanted to say appreciate everybody, and if you guys would like to continue watching us, all right, we're doing same time, same channel tomorrow, all right, and we will go from there. Okay, so have a great day, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. Later.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.